tuning to Choice FM 101.1, your voice, your music. We gave you music from Zambia with Wonko to also in the KJR. The junior came through with crazy, busy, Kokota. But right about now, though, in the background, the beautiful, the amazing Queen Popo alongside Adolf with Robari Chifuna. Listen, we have got the best in the game here on the Choice FM Drive at Chivenda Music Awards 2019 nominee for the Best Newcomer Award. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, help me welcome that she looks amazing. God, Queen Popo.
And she's all smiles. Hi, Queen Popo. Welcome to the Choice FM Drive Reloaded. Oh, let's get right into it. Who is Queen Popo and where is Queen Popo from?
Oh, Queen Popo ndithi patwani janji ndizila fondo la Thaba yone nendo baby wona la luchela wone fondo la Thaba.
Oh, maybe if I should ask, because I was also asking myself, why the name
You
Queen
also
Popo?
asked me, so
You know.
this is the hype person again.
Yeah, Queen Popo liko baka ka Limpopo.
Oh,
I took
Nice.
Popo from Limpopo.
Is it?
Wow.
Nice, makes perfect
this is
sense.
the Queen of Limpopo.
Yeah, I'm the Queen of Limpopo.
My girl.
Tina, I'm the Queen.
My girl, I know.
Yeah, I am the Queen
Yeah,
of
100%.
Limpopo.
So when did your musical journey start, basically?
2010.
Mm.
Ndoba ndikuimba hip hop. Ndalichanga 2010 ndaimba manyalo uva 2013 na 2013 usika 2018. 2018 futhi ndaduva ndaimba track yayo kutamba zwino. Ndiyena ndaduva ndabuyela kha hip hop. Zino ndibotoimba van rap achaimba muzika ndibona ibese.
Okay, now. Coming to that, saying that you only sing hip hop. Why hip hop? Why did you choose it? As a female artist, there's a lot. I mean, females are doing pop, gospel, R&B and whatnot. Hip hop is not really the norm, and especially here, Pano Ayani. Why hip hop? Queen of Limpopo. Wow.
Okay. Sometimes nyari nichikoita chitu nazifo uri hapa ndiya enjoy. Nezvino ndichimba muzika wa van rap ndiya enjoy upirisa ndichimba muzika yote. Ndo try muzika yote mara ndichidaka hip hop main van rap ne ndiyone ndafilo uri ndikoimba muzika unena vatu vakona kutecheresa zvakuti ara vatecheresa voice yanga iva iko amba zvithu zvinei nyazvifanani uri womuthu kuimba hip hop van rap ya serious and futhi zvikoitiswa ngori ndiyazvitakarera zvezvo and I want to be myself.
Come on, girl. Now, moving right along, I just want to find out from you, Uri, where do you see yourself? Like, where do you want to find yourself in the industry in terms of music? I think in the coming years.
Ndichikosedza uri nemunhu uzvinyangudibona gai kha industry hey ndina big dream ngamanda ndinyangudibona ndichikoimba navathu vakana vaAmerica kana over America. Sikwanga muzika wanga uchiguma venda page nyanga muzika wanga uchiva international. Ndichinenda kutakaira zvone ka muzika wanga.
So, how does it feel to be a nominee, best newcomer?
I was just shocked just because now nenda ndiona ndikutotoma uimba van rap ndamuditoma unominate wane. Nane I think for the first time I think utoba happy. Hi. Ndoba happy ngamachera wani yazichima. Ndoto realize nabe ndo nominate yazichima.
That's so good.
So basically,
Serious. Then ngashile chipinga chiba wako nominate ne. Tingo feel something. Na bango dimbuso Queen Popo when sikotakala ngori no nominate. Wanda sikozifila. Mara ngamachera wani ndo muditomo zivila. Ndo nominate and ndinyomsidzana ayethe nominate wake category. And I'm so blessed just because naka van rap ne ndikhodibona kunemsidzana ayethe.
Nice. Big up, man.
Yeah.
And also, are people voting for you? Are they supposed to vote for you?
No, zinenda ngatombela outside there. Uri batsika vanhu rabelise ngauri hey category yenda general khayo iko to choose one ngenga vadzichima. So ndiumbela uri vathu vane vakumfa vothe navane vari kule na kule kana vagai na gai avandirabelise ne I deserve this.
Ah,
I
hallelujah.
deserve this.
Hallelujah. Rito tidzima ragonyana tavani ke.
Yeah, kotaura ngematabelo kubani.
I'm gonna put you on the spot, right? Listen, this is the Choice FM drum. You can't get out of here without hitting something a cappella and a little Ori. Before you head on out of here, immediately after that, let us know Ori on social media where can we find you and where can we buy your music. So as soon as I stop at the number, you know what? This voice you just said. If you want to buy the CD, do this. Hit us with something a cappella. Let's go.
Okay, I am the queen. I'm born to be the queen. You ain't be like me, cause I'm born to be the queen. If you wanna be, you're supposed to be, but you're gonna be, cause you are. Well,
That's Queen Popo for you.
That's the Queen of Limpopo right there.
I am the queen. I'm born to be the queen.
Most definitely. Social media, where can we get you, Queen?
On Facebook, you can find Queen of Venrap. And then Queen ya Venrap. Una Queen ya Venrap, na Queen ya Venrap. And Queen ya Limpopo. Nika Facebook. Ka Instagram, nifi Queen Popo. Ka Twitter, nifi @PopoQueen.
100%.
Ana bachwa ngomfonela ka number phone.
Oh, okay. Okay, come and one to one. Come and one to one. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ana bachwa ngomfonela. Kana bakumbuka kana bakhwenyanga wana nyimbo zanga bangikwama kana bafonzi tebelaho 082 735 8269 kana 076 51 35 665 hezo number phone zote zina WhatsApp urune bangakona hamba na nka WhatsApp.
No, great. 100%. Thank you so much for coming out, Queen Popo. Thank you so much for joining us. All the best. We hope you win that, you take it, because it will mean a lot. I mean, the Venrap Queen.
Yeah.
Come on. This is the Choice FM Drive, and that was the Queen Popo. We're signing out with one of her songs alongside the homeboy Mes K. This one is called Ndokores.
Yeah, Ndokores.
Okoren.
Karen Baniko explain Ori. Asina Nokorao. Till never by me, Ribarco to cover us as a pretty alipasi. Most of girls, Bambo, the native Funimutu, Achisiwana, what, ne? Then is Razu to as you to Moraro. Namsimun to Asinachi to Wafuniwa, God and divisions of the dear my chair. Ufana Karorim Boranga Rondo Coresa. And then narrative Funichisiwana. My chair Lani, on over Nazwa and ne. At your page.
Thank you so much. So let's go straight into it. Queen Popo featuring Mes K. Ndokore Sarieko. Taki. Asongokora.
Hamutoti.
That was